A common technical question we get asked at Shop Stuff regarding the 203 is my display is showing EJ full and it has a couple of dots showing. This error means that the electronic journal is nearly full. This machine features an electronic memory which holds every transaction that has been done on the machine. This must be cleared periodically. This can be done at the end of every day's trading, a week or the end of a month. To clear this, simply move the key round to the X1, Z1 position. You enter 700, press the full stop button, the X button, and then press the TLNS. This will print out the electronic journal and reset the machine so that it can be used. A 12-month technical service, whether you bought the machine from us or not, is available from shopstuff.co.uk. This information can also be found on page 76 of the manual, reading and resetting the electronic journal data. Thank you for viewing our video at shopstuff.co.uk.